it's almost to the point where I'm almost thinking I need to buy new headers. But if I do, I kind of have to start the fitment process all over with all these different welding bungs and stuff like that. I don't want to do that. But I was still getting erratic readings, this time on the other side. And so I did the reverse, you know, put the shot back in the exhaust tip and then spray soapy water. And I started getting little tiny through here, and I don't know why I'm getting it through here because I can't find it. So I got some brake cleaner. This is kind of cool actually. So see this right here? Looks like a weld line. I don't think I repaired this spot, but as soon as and I think that's causing majority of my issue, even though I think it's coming from another spot. I don't see anything else other than that, but it's kind of cool how quickly that brake fluid seeps through there.